Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix the error, Meccha Chameleon failed due to invalid or missing notification token for user. To start, open Steam and go to Meccha Chameleon. Right-click the game, select Properties, then go to Installed Files and click Browse. Now locate the folder named Chameleon Binary 64, then find Penguin Hotel 164 Shipping. Right-click it, choose Show More Options Properties. Under Compatibility, enable the following. Run in compatibility mode and select Windows 8. Disable full screen optimizations. Enable Run this program as administrator. Click Apply and OK. Next, copy the game path. Go back to Steam, open General Settings, and add the launch option. D3D11. If that doesn't work, try DX11. Check if the issue is fixed after applying each option. Now move to Windows Settings. Open Windows Security, then go to Virus and Threat Protection Manage Settings Exclusions. Click Add or Remove Exclusions, then choose Folder and paste the game directory path. Select the Meccha Chameleon folder and allow it through Windows Defender and Firewall. Next, fix your network settings. Go to Control Panel Network Connections. Right-click your active connection, Wi-Fi or Ethernet, and open Properties. Uncheck Internet Protocol version 6, IPv6. Double-click Internet Protocol version 4, IPv4. Select Use the following DNS server addresses. Preferred DNS, 8.8.8.8. Alternate DNS, 8.8.4.4. Click Apply. Finally, open Command Prompt as administrator and run the following commands one by one. IP Protocol Configuration /flushtens. NetWinSock Reset. After that, go to Settings Network and Internet Advanced Network Settings Network Reset. Reset your network configuration and restart your PC. After completing all these steps, the error should be resolved and the game should run normally.